Hi guys, it's Gigi. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today's video is more of a transformation video than a tutorial. So I got these pants from Boohoo like in 2017. Back then I was super skinny and these pants did not fit. And so like last summer I decided to freak the hell out of these pants because I was kind of bored with it and I didn't really want to throw it out. I'm very impressed with the way it turned out, and if you are too, all you need are a pair of pants and this video. Okay, so let's get right into it. I have listed all the things you need in order to achieve this style in the description box. Okay, don't kill me guys, but I totally forgot to record the first step in the video. But the first step in the video is pretty easy. All I did was I cut the pants shorter to the desired skirt length that I wanted, which was about 17 inches. So what you see me doing right now is I'm detaching the waistband from the pants, or should I say the shorts. And the reason I'm doing this is because my waistline, my actual waistline, is smaller than the waistline of the pants. So I want to make it smaller to fit me. So the next step is to cut open the inner seams of the pants in order to make it a skirt. Then we're going to cut up about 2 inches of the front seam in order to make a nice clean slit in the front of the skirt. And guys, I apologize so much for not having the complete footage of the whole process, but something you don't see me do is I sew the inner seams of the back together to make it a complete skirt. So in the front there's a slit and in the back it's completely sewn down. So what you see me doing right now is I'm folding over the edges of the slit and I'm using some pins to hold it down for when I sew it. So what I like the most about this tutorial is the fact that it doesn't require any crazy sewing or pattern making skills. So I'm cutting the front and the back half of the shirt, of the top, from one of the pants legs that I cut. You're gonna have to adjust certain things and, put different pieces of fabric together in order to make it work, but you just gotta make it work. So what you see me doing right now is I am trying to make the top fit, and so I'm trying to cut the other part of the top by matching the already cut half of the top to another piece of fabric to cut the other half out. If everything I said makes no sense to you at all, this is a visual representation of what your cut out pieces should look like. And now it's time to sew. Yay! So using my serger, I am going to sew the two center pieces together. That is the two front pieces together and the two back pieces together. Then I sew the front and the back seams together, as well as the shoulder seam, to complete the whole top. Then to finish off the edges of the top, I am sewing elastic to the front and the back edges of the top, as well as the armhole. I used 1/4 of a quarter elastic for that.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
And for the bottoms, I am using 1 inch wide elastic to finish off the bottoms of the top. And this is what it should look like. So to fully finish the top, I folded over the edges with the elastic, and I basically used a zigzag stitch all across to hold my top down. So to determine the length of the elastic I needed for my waist, I measured the size of my waist and subtracted 1, which in my case was 27 minus 1, 26, and I used that same length for the waistband. Just to make sure I sew through all the layers. It's just something that I like to do for my own personal projects, just to make it neat and just easy for me. So you guys can totally skip this if you want. So something you don't see me on camera do is I sewed the slit of the skirt down when I was finishing off the edges of the top. And so you should do that if you have a slit in the front of your skirt. So this is a bonus piece. I had a little bit of fabric left over, and so I decided to make a little arm attachment, like a sleeve attachment. And so I did this with a previous sleeve pattern that I have that I cut the top off to make it a little off-shoulder sleeve. And so I just cut it out and sew the two side seams together, and I'm pretty much done with everything. So I wore this outfit in 3 different ways, with and without the sleeve attachment. So comment below and tell me which look is your favorite, and also if you are going to try this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am going to be posting a lot of exciting new tutorials that you wouldn't want to miss. Thank you guys so much.